Hi everyone, in this short video we are going to show you how to program a new Jeep Cherokee key fob. In addition, we'll show you how to connect the star cable into the OBD and its location, which is located under the glove box. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all Jeep key fobs and transponder keys. If you have any questions, please comment below and we will answer. Thanks for watching.
Hello everybody, we got a 2019 Jeep Cherokee. We just programmed 2 new keys into the vehicle. We have 2 of them now. So total in the computer is 5. In order to program this vehicle, you got to connect to the star cable to the hub right here, which is under the glove box. So once we hook up, simply the machine does everything else. Reads the pin, programs the fobs in. As you can see right there, it's in the ignition. And that's it, we're ready to go. So 2019 Jeep Cherokee programming. Thanks for watching.